Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. This is the new one with the ludicrous mode. However, it has on the back a plaid in black. So, or maybe it's purple and black. Purple, blue, whatever. Anyway, we just did a full wrap on this. Xpel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film, 10-year guarantee in writing. Our installation at Clearbrow, North Dallas is also in writing for the life that you own the car. The window film is the XR Plus. We did the doors and the back. That film also comes with a written guarantee for the life that you own the car, and it's also a transferable warranty. Let's take a look at our install. So this full vehicle has been wrapped with the paint protection film, and our key is looking at all these edges. Everything is on the back side. Everything's nice and clear. Everything's good. Everything looks fantastic. Coming around, looking at all our edges, all the clarity. We like to wrap all this in around here, coming around our bumper. Everything is fully wrapped in. Excuse me. Allergies, man. In Texas is terrible. And then coming around here, I always wrap in this A-pillar area and inside the door. I don't leave any edges. If I cannot wrap it, I get as close as we can. And it's usually pretty tight. Our A-pillars, we take this molding off, fully wrapped in all the way around. This door piece comes off, just pulls right off, and we wrap all the way under that. We wrap all the way in our door handles, both sides of the door. Actually, all four edges of the door are fully wrapped in. Just looks fantastic. The window film, nice and clear, no issues. We don't install the film on the car and have a bunch of debris in them. And I'll show you this. Locked. I'll show you the edges, how we run them tight. Coming around our backside, we always wrap underneath here. This, we can't take it out, but we can get under there. And then our hatch, fully wrapped. The quarter, fully wrapped inside the trunk area. So coming across, we don't take the wing off, no need to. We can get it nice and tight. Take the wing off, sometimes it can be a little problematic sticking them. Again, coming around this side, more of the same work. Everything's wrapped in, handles. And this is what I wanted to show you. Let me open it. So our edges for the tint, try to get that for you. Very, very slight. If I come out here, it's probably, I mean, it's like 2 millimeters. They're super tight. And then much more of the same here. Looking at our mirrors, I wrap this edge all the way around. So there's the overall, have my guy wipe it off a little better next time. But there it is, 2024 Tesla 3 Performance, Xpel's Ultimate Plus film and XR Plus window film for the highest heat rejection. Appreciate you guys watching. Clearbrow, NorthDallas.com.